sound, lights, camera, action. Me, Setu Maishwari. Today I'm gonna tell you that how to create your own movie by using still images. This is going to be fantastic tutorial. So for that you don't have to add any additional software. There is already a software enabled with your Windows. It comes with XP, it comes with 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, with every sort of window. So you just click on this window button and go to your movie maker. If you don't find it here, you can search it from there. Window movie maker, that is called Video Win Movie Maker, but I frequently use it, that is why it is already available with me. That is movie maker. Go to this. Okay, so how to use it? To create your own image like this, to create your own video, in fact, from the images. So if you go to add videos, there I have included some images. So you can add all these images. You can add them one by one also, and you can select them at a time. So just add these images. They are added in the sequence. I have already organized these images in this way so that they have this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is what the image is. Now if you play this button, then each image is going to be appeared for 7 seconds. All images will be there for the 7-second time, like that. You can see these are moving for 7 seconds, right? All the images are moving for 7 seconds. Now what you can do, that when we are working with movies, so certainly along with images we also need some voices. Okay, so how to add the voice? You can go for this, add music. Okay, or you can go for this also, add music also. This add music can also be used, and apart from that this record narration can also be used. Now in order to use this record narration, you can use two things. Add sound. Once you go to add sound, so it will show you the window from where you can add any sound by taking some mp3 file for the music. And apart from that, you can also record your own voice. So suppose that if I want to record my own voice to give a story to my movie, so how to do this? Just check once, record narrations. Once you click to record narration, now see, I'm gonna make a story by using this. Okay, so let me start this. Once you click on this red button, you can see here, this red button, immediately recording will start, and once you click on this stop button, recording will stop. Okay, so now let me click. Trin trin, hello, can you deliver me a pizza? I want the pizza. Of course sir, why not? We can deliver a pizza to you. So at which address you want this? Kindly tell me. On this address, please send me a pizza. Ting tong. Hello sir, your pizza is here. I'm sorry, I'm sick, I cannot come. Ah! Sir, what you have done? Ma'am, what you have done? This is not the way to treat me. Woo! Boss, I went to deliver the pizza, but look at it, what he has done to me. He did vomit on me. Just shut up and go for another delivery. You have to go for it. I'm gonna leave this job. I'm gonna kill my boss. Kachak! NSHM. So here I'm just gonna store my voice, and see, it's not necessary that every time you can have same mapping with your voice. Okay, So let me save it. NSHM Kolkata. I have got training videos and the voice, my beautiful voice is being saved. So now you can see. Now you can just have you can just listen to this voice. Trin trin. Hello. Can you deliver me a pizza? I want the pizza. Now what happens that if you find it that this voice went for a long time, so in that case what you can do, you can set the image length. Like if you check it, if you go to this edit button, so by default this image is going to come there for the 7 seconds. So that means this image, every image will appear for 7 seconds as I told earlier. But if you want to change it, then you can change this also. For example, if I don't want this image to get appeared for 7 seconds, rather I want it to be appear for 8 seconds or 9 seconds, so you can also opt it. So now this image will stay on 9 seconds. Just check it out. Look at the voice. Trin trin. Hello. Can you deliver me a pizza? I want the pizza. Basically, what I can imagine, what I can come to know is that it should not be for 9 seconds. It should be for less time. So I can keep it for 6 seconds as well. So just check it out. Trin trin. Hello. Can you deliver me a pizza? I want the pizza. Of course, sir. Why not? Now, I'm willing that after this image, if I want to eliminate that gap, there will be another tutorial to understand that how that gap can be eliminated. Trin trin. Hello. Can you deliver me a pizza? I want the pizza. Of course, sir. Why not? We can deliver a pizza to you. So, at which address you want this? Kindly tell me. On this address, please send me a pizza. Ting tong. Hello, sir. Your pizza is here. I'm sorry, I'm sick. I cannot come. Now, what happens? You see, you want this image to appear for some more time because that sick thing should not come here before this. So just consider this, that you can play it once again. So at which address you want this? Kindly tell me. On this address, please send me a pizza. Ting tong. Hello, sir. Your pizza is here. I'm sorry, I'm sick. I cannot come. Sir. Ting tong. Hello, sir. Your pizza is here. I'm sorry, I'm sick. I cannot come. Sir. Now this image should appear a little bit more time. It should be for 11 seconds. So you can customize it also. Options are given. Apart from that, you can also customize this. So that image will appear for a little bit more time. Ting tong. Hello, sir. Your pizza is here. I'm sorry, I'm sick. I cannot come. No, sir. That was a miscalculation. It should go for 9 seconds actually, in order to synchronize with the image. Ting tong. See, all this is hidden. Hello, sir. You have to your check. Pizza is here. You have to keep on checking. I'm sorry, I'm sick. I cannot come. Yes. So now it is happening. Sir, what you have done? Now this image should be a little bit shorter in the duration. So like that, you can go for it. Sir, what as you can see, it should be even more shorter. It was not for that much duration. Sir, what you have done? Ma'am, what you have done? This is not the way to treat me. Woo. So it should be a little bit more enlarged. Sir, what you have done? Ma'am, what you have done? This is not the way to treat me. Woo. Boss, I went to deliver the pizza, but look at it. What he has done to me. He did vomit on me. So it should stay for a little bit more time. So let's say if it is staying for 8 seconds. Boss, I went to deliver the pizza, But look at it, what he has done to me. He did vomit on me. Just shut up and go for another delivery. You have to go for it. Ah, I'm gonna leave this job. I'm gonna kill my boss. Kajak. So it should stay for a little bit less time. So that after that kajak, it should not move. So kill my boss. Kajak. Done. So that is what your movie. And after doing this, just at last you have to save your movie. So go to this, go to high definition display, or you can go for even small applications also. This is high definition display, this is high definition display, this is recommended for this project. So whatever should be the resolution of this project, movie maker, Windows movie maker will itself take care of it. Apart from that, you can also place it for Apple iPhone and several other things, right? So let me check out for high definition display. Once I go to this, so let me save it somewhere. I'm saving it in my NSHM folder. So inside local disk D, there is an NSHM folder, NSHM Kolkata, training videos and movie making. Just save it. So since it is not a big movie, it's a small movie, so it will save very fast. You don't have to wait for much time actually. You can see saving it 17%, 18%, 19%. It's doing it fast. Otherwise, sometimes what happens when you combine two videos together, see, while it is saving it, you are not supposed to do any other thing on this movie maker. So once it is saving one project, at that point of time you are not allowed to open or close the movie maker or to do any other project. All you can do is to cancel your project. Of course it will take some time, but it's very less time. uh, like that, see, our institute is going to provide you a lot of guidance with respect to so many things. Yeah, my movie is ready, so you can watch it. So this kind of movie making, now if you watch it in the VLC media player. Hello, can you deliver me a pizza? I want the pizza. Of course, sir. Why not? We can deliver a pizza to you. So, at which address you want this? Kindly tell me. On this address, please send me a pizza. Ting tong. Hello, sir. Your pizza is here. I'm sorry, I'm sick. I cannot come. Ah! Sir, what you have done? Ma'am, what you have done? This is not the way to treat me. Woo! Boss, I went to deliver the pizza, but look at it, what he has done to me. He did vomit on me. Just shut up and go for another delivery. You have to go for it. Ah, I'm gonna leave this job. I'm gonna kill my boss. Kajak. So that is how you can create your own movie by using the movie maker. Thank you so much.